There are many professional photography products on the market, but many of those products have very specific use cases that do one or two things. Well, today I want to talk to you about this product by SIRUI, which is a professional quick setup monopod that can be used in a variety of ways. Now, full disclosure, this video is not sponsored by SIRUI. I'm not getting paid by them, nor they ask me to say anything nice or positive about this monopod. Moving forward, these are going to be my thoughts and my thoughts only. So this monopod is a bit unique in a number of ways, and I have to say from the start, spoiler alert, I am pleasantly surprised by this piece of gear. If you're not familiar with SIRUI as a company, SIRUI makes professional grade camera lenses for many mounts. Full frame lenses, APS-C lenses, anamorphic lenses. They manufacture tripods and tripod heads. They make various photo and video lighting as well as other camera accessories. Now, this specific model is SIRUI AM-404FL, which is a heavy-duty version of a monopod. What's unique about this monopod is that it is a combination of a monopod, extension rod, and tabletop tripod, allowing creators to perform many tasks with only one tool. Now, let me share with you a few specs. This monopod is made out of aluminum alloy and has 4 sections. When fully extended, this monopod has a maximum height without a base, basically this base being removed, of 70.47 inches, and with the base, when this base is attached, it's about 74.8 inches and weighs only about 3 pounds. Now, the maximum load of this specific model that it can basically hold is about 26 pounds, which is why this is considered to be a heavy-duty monopod. Now, what's unique about this monopod is because it's modular. It comes with a mounting plate. This monopod comes with a leg that has 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and has a tripod tabletop base, basically right over here, and removable rubber foot, which I'm going to talk about this little piece over here a little bit later on. This piece of equipment is a versatile tool that serves many purposes. Now, when you use this monopod, it is great for events such as weddings when you're holding a heavy setup, and for sports and wildlife with long lenses. Now, you can also use this as an extension rod and raise or extend your mounted camera to create different angles. Or you can use this as a tabletop tripod for vlogging, setting your camera as a webcam, desktop recording, taking macro shots, attaching other devices such as audio recorder, microphone, or anything what this mounting plate here can be attached to. Now, this monopod features a quick release system. Pull on the sleeve to remove the mounting plate and simply insert the plate back to securely lock it in place. When you pull on the sleeve, the mounting plate becomes free and you can remove your camera. Once you insert the quick release system back in place, you will hear a click like this. The release system has a mounting screw which can also be switched between a 1/4 and a 3/8 of an inch thread. In order to switch between the threads and flip the screw, you have to press and hold the lock mechanism located right over here. Now, let's talk about the quick release tripod base. Some things that you can do is to remove the rubber foot, basically right over here, from the tripod base and attach it to the bottom of the main tube to form an extension rod. The rubber foot has a thread on the inside of the metal housing that allows attaching it to the extension rod. In order to remove the mounting plate, all you need to do is to pull down on this blue ring and remove the plate. Once the plate is removed, and if attached to a camera, you can insert this into the tripod base and you should hear and feel a click once it is secured. Just like that. Now, one of the things that I actually wanted to do is I wanted to do a stability test and to see how convenient actually to use this monopod basically like this with your feet, and for stability if you're using maybe instead of a tripod. So I think having a small camera setup on this monopod is pretty secure. As you can see, I can even shake this one a little bit more and it's really not falling where you do want to support. It does come with a little hand strap that you can use to have a more secure feel, but generally it is very nice. And one of the things, guys, that I was talking about earlier is that having an ability to actually remove this camera, let's say, from the monopod. You can pull down on this release and insert right in here. And now if you're looking to do vlogging, if you're looking to use on the table, maybe you're recording like this somewhere in the park, or maybe if you're setting up for a webcam, it is an exceptionally well done product that has this use case. One other feature of this monopod is a 360-degree panning. The upper twist color, which is right over here, has a groove textured surface for firm twist. You can unlock the color to get a full 360-degree panning ability. The nice thing about this monopod is that it has lock and unlock symbols pretty much on every side of the tripod by providing guidance to those who's using it. Now, given this blue knob on the tripod base, once it is loosened, the monopod can tilt 36 degrees in either direction, which is great if you're using it for video and you need to follow a subject. Now, one of the functions of this tabletop tripod is that it has two settings when it comes to how far it can be set. Okay, it can be set either to have it to be widely spread and hold bigger load, or it can be raised a little bit higher to simply set on a tabletop. Or one other option, it can simply be folded in either direction, either up or down, for easy travel and even fits in your camera bag. Now, the bottom rubber foot has a hidden metal spike that can be used on surfaces where rubber foot would be too slippery. In order to reveal the spike, all you have to do is to spin the rubber foot and a spike will come out right through it. As you can see, this is a heavy-duty monopod that can be used for many different cases. If you're looking to purchase it, I will link it in the description box below. At the time of this recording, this combo of a SIRUI Monopod as well as this little tiny QC-38 quick release clamp are priced at $129 US. Now, let me say a few things about this quick release clamp. This one has an Arca Swiss quick release plate which can be inserted into the clamp in 4 directions, adding the quick release function to changing shooting directions without dismounting the camera from quick release plate. Now, the quick release plate has an anti-slip rubber pad that has a back stopper right back here, which is nice for smaller cameras or lenses that have a foot. However, if you're looking to use this for larger cameras such as Nikon Z9 that I frequently use for my shoots, it does not fit very well and this back stopper does not sit against the camera well, but that is a minor thing. Now let me take this monopod outside and do a few tests, and I would like for you to take a look at this. Now, one of the things that I actually want to see is how long does it take to actually deploy traditional tripod versus actual monopod. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Now, one of the beauties of this SIRUI Monopod is clearly its height. Obviously, I don't nearly need as much height on this monopod, so I can easily lower the height that I need. And let's say if I'm shooting sports, if I'm shooting some kind of event where I need to have a tripod next to me, I can simply have it next to my eye level and I can shoot that way. You can use this tripod for sports photography, and you can simply set your monopod with tripod legs, and it will simply stand like this. As you can see, it's not very windy outside, but it's enough where you think like, okay, you know, I want to use my hand right next to it. So if you are shooting sports and you have a heavy setup such as this one, I have 70-200. That's mounted to Nikon Z6 II. You can have it mounted to probably Nikon Z9 and still would be okay. So guys, it's pretty awesome setup. As you can see, this is a very versatile piece of camera gear that can be used by photographers as well as videographers. Again, I would like to thank SIRUI for sending this product to me for review. I was very pleasantly surprised by its build quality and versatility that this monopod/tabletop tripod offers. Please give us a like, ring the bell for new videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. This allows us to make more content like this for viewers like you. Thank you. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, did I mention that this monopod actually comes with this nice black bag? It comes with these Allen wrenches and comes with this strap for this bag. Now I'm done.